Good morning and welcome to ISE Europe. You're on the Pro Audio Stash stand here for the 4 days at the ISE exhibition. Penelcom Group internationally manufacture 19-inch racking and accessories and flight case hardware worldwide. Because of the Pro Audio Stash banner that we're here with, we're showing our range of server racks. Basically, this is the EMS 32600, 600 wide and deep, 32 units high, and we've dressed it with shelf supports and laser cut panels. The whole idea of this is if you're having a home automation rack fitted, you can dress off all your skyboxes or your Sonos with a laser cut plate, which can also be either silk screen, printed with details. And of course, when you're running these things in home automation, you don't necessarily want to go back to the rack, so we do power distribution units which are resettable remotely via a Raspberry Pi computer on board, so that you can turn things off, turn them on from anywhere in the world if your son has problems with his skybox or whatever that needs resetting, so he hasn't got to go down to your very nice home automation rack. We do a range of other accessories into flight case and touring market, which is where the Penelcom brand is synonymous worldwide. And we've now also launched, instead of just steel drawers for installation purposes, lightweight aluminium drawers. So for the motor sport and stage touring situations, you've now got half the weight of the steel drawer in a rack, saving you logistical money and transporting costs. So if you have a 6-drawered rack at 24 units with steel drawers, it's double the weight of a 6-drawered 24 unit rack with aluminium. So therefore most of the tools are in there for no additional weight. We'll update the rest of our equipment that we're bringing here, and we've got some new wall racks made in the UK. The difference being that as they are a UK source rack, we are now at customer request fitting these with screw drill rail as opposed to just 19-inch rack rail. The sides do remove, and there is onboard cable management. They come in various sizes. We're showing 6 and 9 unit as standard, and the aluminium drawer unit is also on the floor, so that when you pick up the weight difference between a steel one, which is in 2 units 5.5 kilos, and this is 2.5 kilos, you know where the weight standing is. And the final piece that we brought with us from the UK is our slide and rotate rack, which we're finding is being used massively in the marine installation on super yachts, purely because it does as it says on the tin. It's a completely revolving rack with cable management in the centre of it, so that all the 19-inch product can be got at easily from the serviceability point of view. And when you don't need the equipment out in the middle of nowhere, basically it slides back into a cupboard and then you just face it off. And that's it from us here at Pro Audio Stash. Have a wonderful ISE show, and thank you for the opportunity.